How to put pictures in TikTok comment. Go ahead and open your TikTok app, and once you are here, tap on the comment section. Here, find any comment that you want to reply with a picture and just go ahead and tap on reply. In your left hand side, you will see a camera icon. Go ahead and tap on the red camera icon right there. Now, once you're here, tap on upload and select a photograph from your gallery. You can select anyone. Then tap on next. Now you have to post this publicly, so go ahead and tap on post. Now wait until it is posted. Once it is posted completely, go ahead and open a video and tap on the comment and tap on view comment. From here, you will see right below your photograph has been posted. So currently this is the only way you can post a photograph on the comment section. However, we hope TikTok will update with a feature to add a picture in the comment. So make sure to give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.